everyone, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Markartt Poly Nail Extension Gel Kit in Rainbow. Now, this set can be purchased on Amazon and it retails for $47.99. It comes with 7 colors, a brush, nail forms, nail molds, a filer, a top coat, and a base coat. Now, unfortunately, in this video, I will solely be focusing on the poly gels and not the items that make up the kit. So the poly gels actually come in a 30 milliliter tube, and the kit includes a red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet color. I'll be swatching all of the colors and offering my thoughts at the end of the video. So if you want to see what I think about this set, then stick around and keep watching the rest of this video. I had a lot of fun swatching these colors, and I'm honestly looking forward to creating a look with this kit. This is definitely a beginner's friendly kit, and I love the fact that you can use rubbing alcohol to mold the gel. I can't say that I had any problems with this gel, and on a scale of stiff to sticky, I would definitely say that this one falls right in the center. The only personal takeaway that I had is that I wish the colors were just a teeny wee bit more rich and opaque. Overall, I really love the kit, and I would definitely recommend this if you don't want to deal with nail polishes. Now, if you all like this video, don't forget to press the thumbs up button. If you are watching this video and you're not subscribed, take a moment to press that subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.